Laugh reel shorts dives into a whirlwind of perfect pauses and punchlines from timeless classics and fresh modern comedies. A sudden pratfall hidden in a shirt seam triggers gasps, followed by a sly wink that cements the joke. Then a rapid-fire line dash flips expectations mid-sentence, turning misdirection into roaring laughter. A tiny prop becomes chaos, transforming a quiet moment into a chorus of chuckles through flawless timing. Each clip is crafted for quick digestion, inviting a second watch to savor the craft and crave more.